Hello again. Thank you for coming back if this is not your first time. And if it is, welcome. My name is Sumayyah, aka Sumi. I'm a mama first and also a traditional midwife, a facilitator, a coach. I offer trainings and workshops and experiences, and I gather community together in the name of all things sacred and birth work. So today's video is special to me, and it's going to be a meditation that focuses on embracing and holding space for your fears, anxiety, and worries. Super normal to have fears, anxiety, and worries in pregnancy. And I hope this little love offering supports you in your journey. Meditation was super powerful for me in my journey in pregnancy and birth and postpartum, still is today, just even as a human. And I hope you can get something from this. So let's jump right into it. Get in a very comfortable position first. Just get yourself comfortable in a position. This meditation will not be very, very long, so it's perfect for beginners if this is your first time. Let's close our eyes or lower and soften your gaze whenever you feel ready or safe enough to do so. And begin to observe your breath. Begin to observe your breath. Try not to control it. Just see what it's doing. Maybe you realize that it was a bit shallow. Maybe you weren't breathing or holding your breath. Maybe you're breathing fast. Allow it to just be without you manipulating it. And on the count of 3, let's take our first collective breath together. 1, 2, 3, inhale. Exhale, release. Let's take another collective breath on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, inhale. Exhale, release. This time, try to bring all of your attention to whatever is beneath you. So for me, the couch is underneath my butt. I could feel it also on my ankles as I cross my legs. As we venture into the great unknown, that is pregnancy, that is birth. One thing we always have with us is our breath. Remembering our breath is a powerful tool to ground us into the present moment. Make sure that you're softening your belly, softening your shoulders, your jaw, and continuing to breathe throughout this whole time. The great mystery, the great unknown can be terrifying. But we must surrender to it like we do a wave in the ocean. The softer we approach it, the easier it can carry us, and we will float. You cannot fight a wave. You cannot change its force or direction. You can only surrender. Right now, with our breath, we are choosing to soften, to surrender, so we may float with least effort. Think of something else that's really holding you down, causing so much stress and worry and anxiety, and inhale it in, gather it up, gather it up. Hold it, acknowledge it, hold it, and release it. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. When you're ready, you can get up. Thank you so much. I feel all relaxed for joining me for that meditation. I hope it's helpful for you. I hope you too also feel relaxed after. Whenever you're feeling fear, anxiety, or worry, feel free to return back to this moment, to this meditation, to this video. Until our next time meeting, have a good one. Peace.